Hmm.
Good morning, students. In previous video, we have studied about the property of multiplication. Under multiplication, we have studied closure property, commutative property, associative property, etc. and etc. So, we have to solve the question. Question is, name the property of multiplication associated with each of the following. Here you have to identify the property of multiplication. Closure property, associative property, commutative property, identity of zero. So etc. we have to study here. So take the first question A. 3 by 5 and 7 by 11 is a rational number. 3 by 5 into 7 by 11 is a rational number. In closure property, this is closure property because in closure property we have to study, we know that sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. Product of two rational numbers is a rational number. So here this is closure property. This is closure property of multiplication. Take B. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 11 is equal to minus 5 by 11 into 3 by 7. Here order is changed. Here 3 by 7 is first rational number, but here minus 5 by 11 is first rational number. Here second rational number is minus 5 by 11, but here 3 by 7 is second rational number. Here only order is changed and both are equal. So this property identify the property under multiplication. So when order is changed and product of two rational number is same, either change the order of rational numbers. If you change the rational order of rational numbers, the product of rational numbers is same. So this is called commutative property of multiplication. इसमें ऑर्डर से चेंज होता है और प्रोडक्ट वही रहता है, सेम रहता है, उसको कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहते हैं. दिस इज कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. टेक क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. C 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Here the rational numbers, first rational number, second rational number and third rational number. This is first, second and third. Here we see that in left hand side first and second rational numbers are multiplied in group. Under bracket first and second rational numbers are multiplied. But here we see that second and third number are there is a group of second and third rational number. This is the product of second and third rational number. Here only we have, if there are three rational numbers, if we change the order of group, the product of rational numbers remains same. कोई तीन rational number लेते हैं, उसमें ग्रुप अलग ग्रुप, जो ग्रुप हम चेंज कर देते हैं और रेशनल नंबर का जो ग्रुप बनता है उसका जो प्रोडक्ट होता है ग्रुप का और जो रेशनल नंबर बचती है, दो का ग्रुप बनाते हैं और उसमें ग्रुप चेंज कर देते हैं. पहले दो रेशनल नंबर का ग्रुप करते हैं, तीसरे से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, फिर दूसरे में उसमें से एक रेशनल नंबर निकाल के दूसरे नंबर के साथ ग्रुपिंग कर देते हैं, प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं कि दोनों केस में सेम रहता है। तो इस सिचुएशन में, ऐसे सिचुएशन जहां पे होती है, दिस सिचुएशन इज फॉलोड अंडर द associative property of multiplication. So this is associative property of multiplication. This is associative property of multiplication. This is associative property of multiplication. Take option number D. What is D? 7 by 11 into 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to 7 by 11 into 2 by 3 plus 7 by 11 into 5 by 7. Here second, there are three rational numbers, 7 by 11, 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Here second and third rational numbers are added in each other. When we multiply, this is the group of second and third numbers. Second and third rational numbers are added, and we have to multiply in both by 7 by 11. So here we multiply one by one. First of all, 7 by 11 is multiplied in first rational number. After that, 7 by 11 is multiplied in second rational number. There is plus sign between, so we use same. This is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is distributive property of this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Under multiplication, this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Next is E. Five by 7 into 1 is equal to 5 by 7. When any rational number is multiplied by 1, the product is the rational number itself. इसी रेशनल नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जो आंसर आता है वो सेम वही रेशनल नंबर होता है। तो इसको बोलते हैं प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी. This is property of multiplicative identity. This is property of multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. If any rational number is multiplied by 1, the product is the rational number itself. that is called multiplicative identity. Next is minus 2 by 3f into 0 is equal to 0. When a irrational number is multiplied by 0, the answer is r0 is multiplied by a irrational number, answer इसी irrational number को 0 से multiply करते हैं तो आंसर 0 आ जाता है. This is the property of 0, multiplicative property of 0. Multiplicative property of 0. This is multiplicative property of 0. When 0 is multiplied by any rational number, the answer is 0. This is called multiplicative property of 0. Take next E. E is finished. F is also finished. Next is G. G. 5 by 7 into 7 by 5 is equal to 1. All of us have studied 5 by 7 into 7 by 5 is equal to 1. Inverse, reciprocal. Reciprocal means if we change if any rational number is given, we have to change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. After changing, the rational number that we get is called multiplicative, inverse or reciprocal. किसी नंबर में उस पे रेसिप्रोकल से जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर 1 आता है. जैसे 5 by 7 is here 7 is denominator but here 7 is numerator. Here 5 is numerator but here is denominator. When we multiply by 4, 5 on the 5, 7 on the 7, 1 1 1 1. So this is called multiplicative inverse property. This is property of multiplicative inverse. This is property of multiplicative inverse. This is property of multiplicative inverse. So all of us today solve the question based on the property of multiplication. So all of you can solve this types of question from your exercise books. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video. So it is sufficient for today. So I think that all of you have understood and you will solve the questions from your exercise book. Thanks for today.